Good afternoon. Okay, so in the last three classes we discussed about equation solve for p, and then equation solve for y, and then equation solve for x. So now type 4. So type 4 is Clairaut's equation. So actually Clairaut's equation is a particular case of equation solve for y. Okay, so you can solve the same problem in using equation solve for y. Okay, so the general form of the Clairaut's equation is y is equal to px plus function of p. So where p equal to dy by dx, I will take this is the equation number 1. So Clairaut's equation is a particular case of equation solve for y. Okay. Now, if you differentiate equation 1 with respect to x, so what we have? Dy by dx, left hand side. Here have uv, so p into 1. If you differentiate with respect to x, you get 1 plus x into dp by dx plus f dash of p into dp by dx. So we know that dy by dx is equal to p. So p equal to p. So from these two, I am taking commonly dp by dx. Remaining is what? X plus f dash of p. So from this, you can cancel p and p. Okay, so dp by dx into x plus f dash of p equal to 0. So either dp by dx is equal to 0 or x plus f dash of p equal to 0. So case 1, if dp by dx is equal to 0 implies dp equal to 0. If you integrate, you will get a p equal to c. So now substitute p equal to c in equation 1. What is equation 1? So equation 1 equal to y is equal to px plus function of p. So now replace p by c. So you'll get y equal to cx plus function of c. So this is the general solution of the given problem. That is y is equal to px plus function of p. So case 2. Suppose x plus f dash of p equal to 0. So I will take this is equation 2. So equation 1 is nothing but the given equation, that is y equal to px plus function of p. Again, I will take that is equation 1. If you eliminate p from 1 and 2, it will give the singular solution. Okay, so this is one of the method to find the singular solution. But now I am not going to use this method to find a singular solution, but I am going to use this method for finding the general solution. So just replace p by c, you will get a general solution. To get the singular solution, I will going to use the method here. Consider the Clairaut's equation. So y is equal to px plus function of p. The general solution of 1 is obtained by just replacing p by c. So that is general solution of 1 is y is equal to cx plus function of c. Okay, now you should differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to c. Okay, so as you done it in envelope, similar process. So if you differentiate partially with respect to c, you get 0 equal to x plus f dash of c. So now eliminate c between 2 and 3. Eliminate c between 2 and 3. We get the singular solution of 1. So you can use any method to find a singular solution. But if you use this method, you'll get the answer quickly. So that's why I'm going to use this idea. Now I am going to give the problem to you. So first problem. Find the general solution of just write GS, find the general solution of P equal to log of Px minus 1. So how to solve this problem? Any of you? First, you should write in the form of y is equal to Px plus function of P.
So rising to the exponentials, again exponential.
Yes, correct, Pragadish, correct. Yeah. So e power P equal to Px minus y. Okay. So this implies y is equal to y is equal to Px plus function of P. So this is a Clairaut's equation. So the general solution is just replace P by C. Y is equal to Cx plus e power C is the general solution of general solution. Okay, just write some general solution of the given problem. Okay, so general solution of 1. Okay. Second problem. Find general solution of P equal to sine of y minus Px. So how to solve this problem?
By taking sine inverse.
Yeah, sine inverse. Okay, sine inverse of P equal to y minus Px is correct. Okay, so y equal to Px plus sine inverse of P. So now this is of the form y is equal to Px plus function of P, which is a Clairaut's equation. So now the general solution is y is equal to Cx plus sine inverse of C. So third question, find general solution of y minus Px into P minus 1 equal to P. So y minus Px equal to P by P minus 1. So y equal to Px plus P by P. Now this is of the form y is equal to Px plus function of P, which is a Clairaut's equation. So general solution is y is equal to Cx plus C by C minus 1. Now I will give some problems. Fourth problem. Find the general solution and the singular solution. Find general solution and the singular solution of y is equal to xp or of the xp plus p square. So we know that this is the form of Clairaut's equation. So general solution is y is equal to xc plus c square. Now differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to c. Partially with respect to c. So you get 0 here, x plus 2c. So from this we have c equal to minus x by 2. This is 3. Substitute the value of c in 2. You'll get the singular solution. Substitute c equal to minus x by 2 in equation 2. So 2 implies what is 2? Y is equal to xc plus c square, which is equal to x, c is minus x by 2, plus c square is x square by 4. So you'll get minus x square by 2 plus x square by 4. So y equal to minus x square by 4, or 4y plus x square equal to 0. So which is a singular solution of the given problem. So find general and singular solution of y equal to x into dy by dx plus a into dx by dy. So try this problem. So first you should write y is equal to xp plus a by p. This is equation 1. So now this is our form y is equal to px plus function of p. This is a Clairaut's equation. So general solution is y is equal to xc plus a by c. I call this is equation number 2. So now differentiate equation 2 with respect to c. You'll get what? 0 equal to x minus a by c square. Minus a by c square. So instead of finding c or c square from this, I'm going to find x is equal to a by c square. Okay, I call this is 3. Okay, we need to eliminate C from 2 and 3. So first I am going to substitute X value here in 2. So equation 2 implies Y equal to X is what? A by C square into C plus A by C. So Y equal to A by C plus A by C, which is equal to 2A by C. Now C equal to 2A by Y. C equal to 2A by Y. I call this is equation 4. Now substitute 4 in 3. Okay, 4 in 3. I'll get the value of X. Okay, substitute the value of C in 3. So substitute C equal to 2A by Y in 3. So X is equal to what? X is equal to A by C square. A by C square. C square is what? 4A square divided by Y square. So I will write here Y square. So this implies X. This implies Y square equal to, you can cancel one A. So Y square equal to 4AX, which is the singular solution of the given problem. So next problem number 6. Find the general solution and the singular solution of Y equal to Px plus root of P square plus 1. So try. So the general solution is what? This is first you should write. This is a Clairaut equation because this is Y is equal to Px plus function of P. General solution is Y is equal to Cx plus root of C square plus 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now differentiate equation 2 with respect to C. Differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to C. So 0 equal to X plus 1 by 2 into root of C square plus 1 into 2C. So 2 gets cancelled. So from this, it is a little bit difficult to find C in terms of X. So that's why I will take X in terms of C. So X is equal to minus C divided by root of C square plus 1. So I call this is equation 3. Now substitute the value of X in 2. Okay, so substitute the value of X in 2. Substitute x is equal to minus c by root of c square plus 1 in 2. So 2 implies what is 2? 2 is y is equal to cx plus root of c square plus 1. Y is equal to c, x is minus c divided by root of c square plus 1 plus root of c square plus 1. So now, to take LCM, root of c square plus 1, you'll get here you have minus c square, you get c square plus 1. So y equal to 1 divided by root of c square plus 1. So this implies y square equal to 1 by c square plus 1. So I call this is 3. From if you square on both sides, x square equal to c square by c square plus 1. So that is 1. Here how 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is 4. This is 4. Okay, 3 implies squaring on both sides. You get x square equal to c square divided by c square plus 1. I call this is 5. So 4 plus 5 will give you, so x square plus y square equal to c square by c square plus 1. X square is, what is y square? Y square is 1 by c square plus 1. So which is equal to c square plus 1. So c square plus 1. So you'll get 1. The equation of the circle centered at the origin. So x square plus y square equal to 1, which is the singular solution of the given problem. Singular solution of, I think somebody, Shankar Narayanan. Y is equal to cx minus the first question. Okay, you can tell the answer because it is very difficult to see the answer this page. If you suppose if I ask the question, you can tell. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Shankar Narayan. So x square plus y square equal to 1, which is the singular solution of equation 1. So next problem, find the general and singular solution of y is equal to x minus a into p minus p square. So this is, I'll take this is equation number 1. This is equation 1. So now this is y is equal to px, okay, px plus or plus or minus a function of p. So this is a Clairaut's equation. Clairaut's equation. Now the general solution is y is equal to x minus a into c minus c square. So now differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to c. we will get 0 equal to x minus a, 0 equal to x minus a minus 2c, minus 2c. So x minus a wa x minus a, sorry, x minus. So now from this c equal to x minus a divided by 2. So I call this is equation 3. Substitute c equal to x minus a by 2 in 2. So we implies what is 2, y equal to x minus a into c. C is x minus a divided by 2. Okay, minus c square. What is a c square? X minus a whole square by 4. So y equal to x minus a square by 2 minus x minus a whole square by 4. So y equal to x minus a whole square by 4, or 4y equal to x minus a whole square. So this is a singular solution of the given problem. So next problem, you should try find the general and the singular solution of y equal to px plus root of a square p square plus b square. So try this problem. So we'll try. I'll come back within 2 minutes. Okay, I got the answer for this problem. Anybody?
So I got the value for x and y, sir.
Got the values for x and y. Yeah. Okay. So please tell what is the values of x and y. Please write. I will check it.
Is equals to minus a squared c
Ah,
divided by root over a square c square plus b square.
okay.
Y is equals to b squared divided by root over a squared c squared plus b squared.
You almost got the answer, but from these two equations, you can easily get the answer. You can think a little bit. So,
So the
okay,
final answer is a bit complicated.
it's not complicated. So, which is a known equation. Even you can study it in +2, that equation. +1 or +2.
Or ellipse equation.
Yes, ellipse, yes. What is the name?
Somnath, sir.
Somnath, okay. Okay, good. So good, Dikshita. I think you got almost the answer, but here Vignesh also told something. Yeah, Sanjay, equation of ellipse, good. And a square, b square minus dash s. Okay. So, okay, anyway, just I will do it this problem and then I'll continue the next one. So, solution of this problem is we know that this is Clairaut's equation y is equal to px plus function of p. So, the general solution is y is equal to cx plus root of a square plus c square plus b square. So this is 2. This is a general solution. This is a general solution of equation 1. Now differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to c. So then we'll have 0 equal to x plus 1 by 2 into root of a square by 2 into root of a square c square plus b square into, if you differentiate a square c square plus b square, you get a 2a square c. So 2 gets cancelled. So from this you can get x is equal to minus a square c divided by root of a square c square plus b square. But in this stage I don't get any idea. Okay, so okay, let us try. I'm going to substitute the value of x in equation 2. So 2 implies y equal to cx, c into x. Okay, so c into x. X is minus a square c divided by root of a square c square plus b square. So this is cx plus root of a square c square plus b square. So which is equal to, so if you take root of a square c square plus b square is LCM, we get minus a square c square plus a square c square plus b square. So you can cancel these two. So y equal to b square divided by b square divided by root of a square c square plus b square. So now if you look at x and y, okay, so we'll get an idea. So that y by b equal to b by x b by root of a square c square plus b square. I call this is 4. Similarly, from 3 implies x by a. Okay, well, x by a equal to minus ac divided by x by a equal to minus ac divided by root of a square c square plus b square. I call this is equation 5. So 4 square plus 5 square implies, so x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to a square c square divided by a square c square plus b square plus y by b, that is a b square divided by a square c square plus b square. So this is 1. Otherwise, you can write one more step, a square c square plus b square, a square c square plus b square. So x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this is a singular solution of a given problem. Okay. So 9th problem. So you should try this one. This also you can try. Solve PQ x minus p square y minus 1 equal to 0. So try this problem. And the next problem is I'll give this is the last problem. I also give find the general solution and the singular solution of y equal to x into dy by dx plus a into dy by dx divided by root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So first you should try this problem. First you should convert into Clairaut's equation, and then even you can solve this problem. Later you can try this problem. It's a practice problem. Try this problem in solvable for x. Okay, because here x only you have. So later, not now. You can try later. Even you can try this problem in solve for y. But just now I told that Clairaut's equation is a particular case of equation solved for y. So that's why it is enough to try this problem in solve for x only.
Sir, 4y cube equal to 27x squared, sir.
This 4y cube equal to minus 27.
4y cube plus 27x squared equals to 4.
Yes, 4y cube plus 27x square equal to 0. Yes, correct, Dikshita. And Pragadish also told the same answer. I think so. Okay, thank you. So those who finished in problem number 9, they can try problem 10. But now I am going to do problem number 9. Okay. So first I am going to write p square y equal to p square y equal to p cube x minus 1. So divide by p square. So y equal to px minus 1 by p square. So this is Clairaut's equation. So we know that y is equal to px plus function of p. This is the Clairaut's equation. I call this is equation number 1. So the general solution of 1 is y is equal to cx minus 1 by c square. This is 2. So differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to c. You'll get 0 equal to x plus 2 by c cube. So this implies c cube. Okay, this implies 2 by c cube equal to minus x, or c cube equal to minus 2 by x. C cube equal to minus 2 by x. So this is actually, I'll take this is 3. Now in equation 2, now I'm going to multiply throughout by c square. Okay, if I multiply throughout by c square, in equation 2 we'll get, equation 2 implies c square y equal to c cube x minus 1. C cube x minus 1. But we know c cube. Sorry. We know c cube. C cube equal to what? Minus 2 by x. So c square y equal to c cube value is minus 2 by x into x minus 1. So c square y equal to minus 2 minus 1, so minus 3. So again, take cube on both sides. So if you take cube on both sides, y power c power 6, because we know only c cube, so that's why I'm taking cube on both sides. So c cube is minus 2 by x, so c power 6 is 4 by x square. 4 by x square into y cube minus 27. So 4y cube equal to minus 27x square, or 27 plus 27x square equal to 0. So which is the singular solution of the given problem. Okay, so everybody got the answer? You can tell now for the 10th problem. Y is equal to x into dy by dx plus a into dy by dx divided by root of dy by dx whole square. Okay, otherwise I'll start slowly. So y is equal to xp plus ap divided by root of 1 plus p square. So you should write in the short form. Now we can see that this is y is equal to xp plus function of p. So general solution is y is equal to xc plus ac divided by root of 1 plus c square. I call this is equation. Okay, now differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to c. So I'll write equation 2 the next page also. Okay, so y equal to xc plus. So again, I'll give the hint. For this problem also, you'll get known solution that you studied in Evolute. Even you studied in the first semester also. So you'll get the solution. The final answer is a known equation. So now this is actually equation 2. Okay. Equation 2. So differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to C. You'll get 0 equal to 0 equal to x plus a into, I'm taking a commonly, square the denominator, 1 plus c square. So keep on root of 1 plus c square the numerator. If you differentiate c, you get 1 minus c into, if you differentiate root of 1 plus c square, you get 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus c square into 2c. So 2 gets cancelled. So 0 equal to x plus a. So if you take root of 1 plus c square LCM, the numerator, you'll get 1 plus c square, because root of 1 plus c square into root of 1 plus c square is 1 plus c square, minus c square divided by, here you have already 1 plus c square. So this 1 plus root of 1 plus c square also comes to a denominator. So 1 plus c square whole power 3 by 2. So c square gets cancelled. So from this you can write x in terms of c and a. So x is equal to minus a by 1 plus c square whole power 3 by 2. I think now you will get some idea. You can proceed further. Try to get the answer. I think this is 3. 3. Now substitute x value in 2. So 2 implies y equal to x is what? Minus a divided by 1 plus c square whole power 3 by 2 into c plus AC divided by root of 1 plus c square. So if you take, I'm taking 1 plus c square whole power 3 by 2 is LCM. So minus AC plus 1 plus c square into AC. So this is equal to minus AC plus AC cube divided by 1 plus c square whole power 3 by 2. So this is y. Y equal to what? Minus y equal to AC cube divided by 1 plus c square whole power 3 by 2. Okay. Now, anybody got the answer?
Asteroid equation, sir.
Asteroid.
Asteroid. Okay. Okay. Subramaniam and Lakshmi Narayanan, I think. I don't know full name. Okay. Asteroid. X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. So if we, now from 2, okay, I call this is what is the equation number? 3 or 4? 4. Okay. Now y power 2 by 3. Y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3 c square. A power 2 by 3 into, already you have c cube. C cube whole power 2 by 3 is c square divided by, here I'm going to take whole power 2 by 3. Here 3 by 2, 2 by 3 gets cancelled. So 1 plus c square. So this is, I call equation 5. Okay. Similarly, from 3, I am going to, first I am going to squaring on both sides. If I square, this minus is changed into plus, and then take whole power 1 by 3. So that is same as taking x power 2 by 3. So x power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus c square. So 3 implies x power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3, a power 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus c square. This is a 6. So this is a power 2 by 3. Okay. Now 5 plus 6 implies x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3 divided by, okay, can, okay, because 1 plus c square is common, so that's why I'll write directly. So c square, so a power 2 by 3 is common, so 1 plus c square divided by 1 plus c square. So final answer, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. So this is a singular solution of the given problem. Okay. So now I think now nearly time is 1 o'clock. So the next section is equation reducible to Clairaut's form. Okay. So equation reducible to Clairaut's form, that section we will discuss the next class, and then I will go to second order differential equation. So one more thing I want to tell you. So please go through your syllabus in the second unit. So I am expecting the CAA more questions from application side. So even though you know, I think at least 50% or more than 50% of questions coming from application side. So first you should know the basic thing. So without knowing the basic things, you can't solve the application problem. So from your side, you will collect some of the application problem and try from first order differential equations now. Okay, for this first you should know the syllabus, and you should have some of the books, and you should search some of the books in the net. Okay, so I leave it to you. You can try. If you have any doubts, you can send through group or personally. I will help you. So again, I'll repeat. This CEA, I am expecting more questions from application side. So you should from the starting itself, you can concentrate. And also, I will take application problem later. So I alert you. You should go through some of the problems from book, or you can search the book which is related to the application problem, and some of the materials from the net. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask to me. Otherwise, we'll meet tomorrow 7th. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.